down so Dad can see you. Sit. Right here. Good girl, Lottie. Sit. Good girl. Gunner, sit. Good boy. Good job. Now, I'm going to throw these down. Leave it. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to leave them until I give you the command to go get them. So, remember what the command is. Leave it. Watch me. Lottie. Good job. Okay. All right. Here you go, Gunner. There you go, Lottie. All right. Good, good. Here, Lottie, go get this one. All right.